So I'm getting ready to clean these floors up and do a little bit more touch up. I wanted to take a look at this light here. This light is a light that I got off of Amazon. I think it was a pretty good price on it. And what it is obviously a makeup light. It came with the cord that goes into the wall here, the socket, but I went behind it and took all that out so I can have it permanently mounted. It's a pretty nice light. Got the mirrors done. I'm really not happy with the mirrors. They're not as bright as advertised, and it looks like this mirror on my side of the bathroom is already dimming, not lighting up as bright. But anyway, I got this door here. I still have to finish trimming things out, but I got that door to kind of match the other doors that I have in here, just to get it all going. And it's very bland in here right now. Not really doing anything decorative, which I'm going to pass the torch on that here. So I'm waiting on this glass shower door here, and ultimately all I need to do in here now is come up and clean up my mess. I don't know if you can see it, but I've failed to have cleaned up everything. That's just dirt and debris from cleaning and doing the grout and all that other stuff. So the floors are extremely dirty, but it turned out to be okay. So to give a quick rundown in here, I did everything in here myself. I didn't have the help of any contractors. The only thing that I did that really changed was this. I took this entire wall out. There was just enough for a door. I took that out and raised the ceiling and all that other stuff. So that's as far as like remodeling something, that's what I did. And I guess you can call the tub. It was a built-in tub here that I took it out. So I'm not for sure how much is that is remodeled as much as it is renovating. But to keep on going, you see these wall plates here. They're really, really nice, just touch, and it just turns the light on and off for you. It's really nice. I can program them. I can program them to, like, if I want to turn this light on, it'll automatically turn on whatever other light that I want. There's a heater that came with it. And when I say came with it came with the house. That controls, and also I put in a fireplace there. Another item that I added was heated floors. We're at the point to where the temperatures are pretty warm outside now. It's really no need for the floors to be warm now, so I don't use it now. Also installed this. This is a towel warmer. It works pretty good. Put this up here because I just thought I never had one, so I just thought it'd be cool to add. Got the bathroom all completed, and I've added this. See if you can see this here. It's a bidet toilet, and I like how slimline it is. It looks like a regular toilet seat, but it's a bidet seat, and that's pretty cool. I really like it. And this was a saloon door. Houses in the 80s and 90s, they had those saloon doors. Cut the light off in here, which was right there, and we didn't like it, so I got rid of that. And obviously added the fireplace and the standalone tub. I had to move the plumbing around in order to get this off in there. And obviously the faucet. Now this here is a curbless shower. I know the drain is a little off, but right down the center of here was a rebar that I didn't want to cut. So I just put it as close as I could to the center, and that's about it. But that's the way it had to go in because I didn't want to change. As you can see, I did the wavy towel for texture at the back, and then just plain white around here, along with a smart shower system here. Works pretty good, controlled through a phone or through voice. Needless to say, I've added 2 body jets that work quite well, and this is my handheld shower head here, along with a rain shower at the top. Also the light here, there, and in the toilet room. I changed those. Also built I built this hamper here, a closed hamper. It wasn't a closed hamper, it was just shelves there. So I just took it out and made it into a closed hamper because it's something that we could use here. Then obviously I put another door. The cabinets here, I built those myself also. And here's where I had to put a pocket door in. Put a pocket door off inside. But anyway, all in all, it's decent. I came up with the idea just from, looking at other videos and everything. But this is the bathroom that is totally completed, just in time for the grass to start to waking up. And now that's where a lot of my time is going to be, trying to get that together before I start the upstairs bathroom. That's going to be the next big project. And then I'm going to install the media room. So I have the media room and bathroom, my next inside project, but I have a lot of outside projects in which you guys will be seeing. Thanks for watching. This is my 2022 smart bathroom, which I didn't show any of the smart features, but it is. Thanks for watching.